This Halloween theme foil art book is a fun and creative activity and a wonderful gift for kids who enjoy Halloween crafts and colorful art projects. It includes everything kids need to create bright, colorful, and shiny artwork, including foil sheets, an 8-color crayon, and a wooden stick. The Halloween-themed designs are fun and full of playful details that children will enjoy. The foil art process is easy and enjoyable. Slightly bend the page while peeling the white sticker, then place the foil sheet over the design, press gently, and use the wooden stylus to trace around the edges before lifting the foil to reveal beautiful, sparkling pictures. Kids can mix and match different foil colors to create unique Halloween designs. Watching the shiny foil appear on the page makes every picture exciting to complete. The coloring pages are a great bonus activity and work well with crayons, colored pencils, markers, or paints. The sturdy paper helps colors go on smoothly, making every page look bright and colorful. The finished artwork looks eye-catching with a beautiful combination of shiny foil and colorful backgrounds. This activity helps develop creativity, imagination, focus, hand-eye coordination, and color recognition. Parents appreciate how it keeps children happily busy while encouraging creative play. Kids enjoy trying different foil colors and making each Halloween picture look a little different. They have fun deciding which colors to use and adding their own creative ideas to every design. Every finished picture looks fun, festive, and full of colorful Halloween charm. Completing each picture gives children a sense of accomplishment and encourages them to keep creating more. They feel proud of their finished artwork and enjoy showing their colorful Halloween creations to family and friends. The set is perfect for home, travel, parties, rainy days, or quiet afternoons. Each kit makes 16 sparkling artworks, making it great for sharing with friends and family. The variety of Halloween designs keeps the activity interesting from beginning to end, with every page offering something fun to decorate. Children enjoy choosing which picture to work on next and look forward to revealing each new sparkling design. The finished artwork can be displayed on a desk, bookshelf, or wall to add a festive Halloween touch to any room. It is also a fun activity for siblings, friends, or classmates to enjoy together while creating their own unique designs. Parents appreciate having an activity that is easy to set up and keeps children happily occupied without making a big mess. It is a wonderful choice for Halloween parties, seasonal family activities, or simply spending creative time together at home. Overall, this Halloween theme foil art craft set is a fun and creative way for kids to enjoy hands-on crafting while making bright and sparkling Halloween artwork. I would definitely recommend it as a fun, engaging, and imaginative craft activity that keeps children entertained for hours.